Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss one more important theorem of sampling theory, which is show that in simple random sampling, sample mean square is an unbiased estimator of population mean square. So this one we can write it as like this. Proof. In proof, we can write it as expectation of small s square is equal to capital S square. Okay. Now, we are going to discuss some formulas. Then we will start the theorem. Okay. For this one, I am going to tell you some formulas, which are: the first formula is y bar capital bar of n is equal to 1 by capital N summation of I is equal to 1 to capital N yi. Okay, capital Yi. Then the next formula is small y bar of n, 1 by small n summation I is equal to 1 to n small yi. Okay, and suppose I want to convert the small yi to capital Yi. So what I will do, I will write, or if I want to convert, I will write it as 1 by small n summation of I is equal to 1 to n ai and capital Yi. And suppose I will write it as y small y bar of n. Okay, if I want to convert it, it should be attached with ai like that. So, and one more thing which you have to know is expectation of ai is always equal to small n by capital N. And if we write expectation of ai aj, it will be equal to small n into n minus 1 by capital N into capital N minus 1. Okay. If it is ai, aj, ak, then it will be n minus 1, n minus 2 by capital N minus 1, capital N minus 2. And you are understanding? Now, these are the normal formulas. Again, we are now dealing with s and s square. So, the formula for capital S square is 1 by capital N minus 1 summation of I is equal to 1 to capital N into capital Yi minus y bar. Okay, whole square, y bar of capital N. And we can elaborate this with, we can write it as expanded 1 by capital N minus 1 into, I will put this summation inside, 1 by capital I is equal to 1 to n yi square minus capital N into y bar of n square. This is also a formula. When we expand this, it becomes this one. And we discussed only about capital S square. Now we are going to discuss formula of small s square also. This formula for small s square is equal to 1 by small n minus 1 summation of I is equal to 1 to small n yi minus y bar of n whole square. Okay. Now if we elaborate this one, if we expand this one, 1 by n is minus 1 summation of I is equal to 1 to n into, we can write it as summation of I is equal to 1 to n yi, same like this, yi square minus small n, because I is equal to small n, we are dealing with small n of y bar of small n square. Okay, one more thing we need to discuss in this is one more formula is I'm writing it here. Is it clear? Summation of I is equal to 1 to n yi whole square is equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to n yi square plus summation of I not equal to j to n yi yj. Okay, now this is also a formula. So we have discussed this formula, and this one, s square, small s square, capital S square, and summation of this one. You just remember, because next we are going to discuss this formulas only. Maximum this formula we are going to discuss. So if it is yi yj, small yi yj means if I want to convert small yi yj to capital yi yj, I need to write ai aj. Okay, so now let's discuss about that afterwards. Now what we are going to discuss this theorem. What is the formula of small s square? Just now we have written here. Small s square is 1 by small n, this one, right? And we can extend it to this. So here I am going to write it as small s square is equal to 1 by small n minus 1 summation of I is equal to 1 to small n yi minus y bar of n whole square. If we expand this, 1 by small n minus 1 is into summation of I is equal to 1 to n yi square minus n y bar of n square. This will become like this. Okay, now if I want to expand this y bar of n, I can write it as 1 by small n minus 1 into summation of I is equal to 1 to n yi square minus small n. I'll just write like this. What is the value of y bar of n? It is 1 by n summation yi square. Just write that 1 by n summation of I is equal to 1 to n yi, and the square I am writing here, and again I am putting this bracket here. After this we can write this one as this square. This is 1 by n square, right? Because square is here. So this n and that n square will get cancelled. We will be left with 1 by n. So here I am going to write 1 by n minus 1 into summation of I is equal to 1 to n yi square in minus 1 by n into summation of I is equal to 1 to n yi whole square, and like this. So here this is nothing but this one, right? So I am going to write, in place of this I am going to write this formula. So here it will be 1 by n of summation of I is equal to 1 to n yi square minus 1 by n, this 1 by n, and that formula which is I is equal to 1 to n yi square plus summation of I is not equal to j to, I am just putting like this, I not equal to j yi yj power n. Okay, now I can write this one is equal to 1 by n minus 1 of, I will substitute this inside, it will be summation of yi square minus 1 by n, summation of yi square, like this, with my minus into plus is minus 1 by n, summation of yi yj. I am just putting a bracket here. Then equal to 1 by n minus 1. I will just make this summation yi square common. I will make it 1 minus 1 by n minus 1 by n, summation of yi yj. Okay. Now the summation of yi yj, I can make it in this form, no? I will just cross multiply this, it will be small n minus 1 by, like this, small n, right? So I can write it 1 by n minus 1, 1 by n minus 1. I will write small n minus 1 by small n, summation of yi square minus 1 by n into summation of yi yj, right? So here I can cancel this and this also. I will just, actually this page is disturbing me, so I will write this and this get cancel, and I'll substitute this one here. So 1 by n, I will write summation of yi square minus 1 by n into n minus 1 of summation of summation of yi yj. Okay, because these are small yi's and yj's, what I'll do, I'll convert it.